Hi everyone. This short preview is about creative conceptual design. Creativity is the seed of any successful product. The concept is the basic premise on which the design is based. The concept has just enough detail to evaluate whether it will meet specifications. It's estimated that 70% of a product's cost is defined during the conceptual design phase. The basic approach in concept development is to gather background information to prepare for generating ideas about the design problem and possible solutions. Then, let your mind work on the problem. This generally does not require active thinking about the problem itself, but rather being vulnerable to new ideas and recognizing when they might be relevant. It's very hard to think of new ideas when you're under stress. Try creating conditions for the mind to work on the problem. Every person has different approaches to mental relaxation, which is necessary for creativity. As possible ideas appear, capture them without judgment. This is a very good reason to keep your notebook handy. Every person on the team will bring their ideas to a design charrette or other team activity to share ideas and work on them. Approaches such as Scamper can evolve initial ideas into aspects of a design concept, and taking different perspectives to look at potential ideas can help to develop them. The 6 thinking hats is one way to achieve that intentional change of perspective. The ideas can be communicated and developed through sketches, system diagrams, stories, analogies, proof of concept conceptual models such as sketches on a computer, and proof of concept physical mock-up prototypes. Basically, whatever works for you and your team to understand the idea. Later on, we'll discuss how to assess the concepts and decide which is most likely to be successful. That is, which one that you choose for producing a detailed design. We will evaluate the concept against key decision criteria based on your specifications and your team's ability to deliver that design. But in a broad sense, you will know whether a concept might be great if it is feasible, it is likely to meet all the key requirements at the right price, and leaves room for improvements. It is simple, it combines different features within an individual element, and it makes sense. In fact, it seems really obvious in hindsight. In other words, if it's an elegant concept, which has its own beauty. The next lecture will explore creativity in design through some activities, which I hope you will not only enjoy, but will also help your team to indulge in some creative mental play that leads to that great idea. See you in class.